If you want access to one of my ebooks for free, I need you to listen to this video. So hi, my name is Emily. If you don't know me, I'm 22 years old. I started online digital marketing 7 months ago. I started by promoting programs. However, I learned how to create my own ebooks along the journey. So I have ebooks talking about my tips and tricks on how I personally promote on TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, how I use ChatGPT, System.io, Repurpose.io, System.io, and I share all that in my ebooks. So because I want to help more mamas out, and I know that not all of y'all can get started with a program right now, I want to allow y'all to have a chance to win one of my ebooks for free. So in order to enter into this drawing, all you have to do is like this video, share this video, and comment your answer to what I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show you the picture of all the groceries I bought today. And all you have to do is comment down the guess of what you think it costed. Like, what was the price of the groceries today? So make sure you put your guess down in the comments, you like this video, you share, and if you want to, you can follow me. But do those 3 things and I will put you into the drawing, and I will let you know and reach out to you if you are one of the people who gets one of my ebooks, and you will get the choice on which ebook you want to utilize.